Today I'm going to show you how to do the stitch pattern in my hat pattern called the summer hat. It uses an elongated stitch that then has a wrap around it. In the first row of the pattern, we start off, and this I'm in a round one or a row one, start off with a knit 1, and then we knit 7, wrapping the yarn around 3 times. So you pull it through, wrap it around 3 times and pull it through as normal. That was 1, 2, 3. And if you stretch these stitches out, if you lose count, you can see that's the knit 1, and then we've done 3, wrapping it around 3 times. Four, 5, 6, and here's the 7th. And then we repeat this stitch pattern around the hat. Okay, now we are on row 2 or round 2 of the stitch pattern. You're going to purl 1 and then take the yarn to the back, and we're going to slip the next 7, letting the yarn unwrap as we go. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So I've got these 7 elongated stitches. We're going to wrap the yarn around. If I can find that yarn. Okay. Whoops. Losing some of our wraps here. Put those back on. We're going to wrap the yarn around, and then we have to wrap it around counterclockwise twice. So we have to slip the slip stitches back and forth. Continue wrapping it around. Go back. Come around again. And then we'll take them back to the left needle one more time. Finish that second wrap. And then slip all 7 wrapped stitches to the right needle, and they're finished working now. And so we're going to purl the next stitch. And again, we'll slip 7 with the yarn in back, letting them unwrap as we go. And you'll know you get to 7 because the next stitch is the one that was knitted without the 3 wraps, and that's the beginning of the next pattern. So now we'll go back to our slipping back and forth so we can wrap the yarn around these 7 slip stitches 2 times. It really is not that tricky. It's a little bit trickier doing it on camera just because I can't quite see as well. Got them wrapped twice now. And now we're ready to start the pattern with the next 8 stitches. So it's a set of 8 stitches, the first one purled, and then the 7 slipped with the yarn in back. So these 2 rows, rows 1 and 2, are really the only tricky part of this pattern. All the other rounds are either knit or purled. But the first round is knit 1, knit 7, wrapping 3 times, so that's 1 plus 7 is 8. And then on the second round, you purl the first stitch, slip the next 7, and wrap the yarn around twice counterclockwise. Then the following round, you knit everything, And then the next 3 rounds after that, you purl everything. Now, if we look at some completed rounds, you see they kind of jog over. This was the first set, and then the next set, it jogs over. So we actually move the beginning of the round up 4 stitches when we start the second set, and then when we start the third, we move back to the original beginning of round. And we're just going to alternate as the hat goes on. Thanks for watching.